In this video, you will learn how to point EPM agents to SAS via one of these options or a combination thereof. You can use a software distribution mechanism where you don't need to redirect the agents that are coming from on-premises. Instead, you can do an upgrade of the agent to move it to the new SAS instance. You can do this via a software distribution mechanism such as SCCM or JAMP. Or whichever is applicable for your operating system. In this example, it is going to show a manual installation that shows an existing agent on 11.5, moving it to the 22.4 implementation. Click Finish. Allow this installation to continue. Once that is completed, do a quick refresh and see that you are now on the new EPM SAS instance version, as well as pointed EPM SAS. For the next option, you will see the steps to download the agent redirection scripts to EPM IIS server. The next step after granting access is to download the agent redirection scripts. Begin in your EPM SAS instance. Click Set Migrations. Find and click on the new set you wish to redirect, and click the button for the download script for redirection. This will be used to tell the existing agents in the EPM on-prem environment to point directly to the SAS instance and trying to report there. You now have a couple of options to redirect agents. One option to redirect agents will be to basically redirect all agents. In this example, the SQL script will load it up, run it in SQL Server Management Studio. Execute the script, and you should see a result, including all your agents. You have successfully redirected all your agents appropriately. This next option will redirect one agent at a time. In a controlled environment, you want to be sure that the agents are reporting appropriately. Begin by running a Get Support Info and obtain your agent ID that is specific to the current computer you are using. And get My Agent ID. Extract the zip file. Click Extract. Navigate and click the extracted file. Find and click the trace folder. Find and open the sysinfo.trace file. Here you will find your agent ID. Copy the agent ID to your clipboard. Copy this ID into the agent ID field inside of the SQL query at the very end. Execute the same way you had for all agents. You should see you have successfully added the single agent to be exported. For more information, check out our online resources.